Welcome to today's video. This episode we will change the tires and wheels finally with something from the 90s. So let's start.
A few moments later.
Yeah, and a disclaimer: don't buy the cheap tools. You can see it all twisted. Oh, let's find something else and continue from there. Yeah, that's for today. But what's important is that's my number one for changing the tires, number two, and you can see the material difference, and that's the number three. What is actually a piece of garbage picked up because it was both cheap and only available. But don't ever buy cheap crap. But yeah, for now I need to do a test drive. See you on the next video. There you have it. Bye.